What are you doing, Charlie? Is that yummy? Yeah? Can you get it? There it is. Almost. Get it in your mouth. There you go. And now we chew our fingers with our food. Is that yummy? Huh? I guess so. Yummy. Is that good? Is that yummy? Is it stuck to your hand? Yes. Here you go. There's another piece. No, no good. Try with the other one. Oh, dropped it. Oh, yeah? Oops. There you go. Charlie. Yeah. Oopsies. Do you want Mommy to help you a little bit? You want this? There you go. Is that yummy? You like to eat that? I guess so. Hi. What are you doing? Here you go. Hey, Charlie. Charlie, what you got there, huh? Huh? Is there a little something stuck on your face? There you go. You got one. Hi. Okay. Say bye-bye.